Hi friends, welcome to ScienceX channel. In this video, we are going to make the self-balancing robot. Let's get started. We need following components. First, we need a Arduino board and then MPU6050 sensor. So this sensor is the heart of this project. We need this L298N driver. We need two BO motors, lithium-ion batteries, battery holder with the switch, few jumper wires. I make the two parts. One is making robot, another one is testing the robot. Okay, first we will see the making the robot part. We need a chassis. Okay, for that I used cardboard and I cutted the cardboard in 5 different pieces. So dimension of these pieces is 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter. So I am given here the dimensions of the pieces. You have to cut the pieces according to this I made here. Okay, then we have to assemble the cardboards. First you have to take the side portion of the cardboard. Side portion of the cardboard having a 2 centimeter portion for fixing the BO motors. We have to fix the 2 BO motors in the side portion of the robot, so that to make some small marking to insert the white color shaft. So BO motor having a shaft, so we have to insert inside the chassis, so that I mark the shaft and then place the hole using some sharp edged pin like this. Like this we have to make it. Then we have to insert that BO motors into the hole. Make sure the proper place should be inserted inside that cardboard. So this is the side portion of the chassis. We have to insert like that BO motor. Now we have to assemble remaining portions. You take two side pieces and then place the another piece like this. So it looks like a small compartment board. Slowly you have to make the arrangement like this. First we have to fix the bottom portion, then middle portion we have to fix it. After fixing the middle portion, it looks like this. Then we have to take the top portion of the chassis. The cardboard, while cutting the cardboard we have to be very careful, then only it fit correct. The alignment should be proper. Okay, after making this, it will like this. Now I place the two BO motor side portion and take some pep stick, ice cream sticks, and pasted inside like this. Because of the stability, if you are using only cardboard, the stability of the board is the chassis will be very less. So I making for more stability for that. And then we have to make the MPU sensor in center portion of the chassis. MPU sensor should be fixed at the top of the chassis. Then we have to take the battery holder fitted with the battery, and then top of the battery holder we have to place the L298N driver. That should be placed in the bottom of the chassis. We have to place the battery and L298N bottom of the chassis look like this. Make sure the mass of the battery holder should be in center of the chassis. So we have to fix like that. Take the Arduino board. Arduino board comes middle portion of the chassis. So before going to place the Arduino board, we have to fix the pins, L290N motor driver pins. So here enable pin E and A come under 10th pin of the Arduino board. Enable P coming under 11th pin of the Arduino board, and then in1 comes under 6th pin of the Arduino board. In1 6, in2 7, in3 is 8, in4 is 9. So totally 4 pins and 2 enable pins. In1, in2, in3, in4. So in1 6th pin, in2 7th pin, in3 8th pin, in 4 is 9th pin. Before going to make the connections, you just see the pin diagram I given here. You just refer the pin diagram and then make. So here in that robot project, only two components, major components. One is L298N driver and then MPU6050 sensor. Okay, so the sensor is placed at the top of the chassis. The sensor having 5 pins totally. So one is VCC, another one is ground, and then STA, SCL pin, and then one pin is going to the interrupt pin. Okay, totally we have to connect 5 pins in this MPU6050 sensor. So I'm making the jumper wires, 4 jumper wires we have to connect. So we have to use only 5 pins. If you look at the sensor having more pins, but some pins we are not used. Okay, SDL, SDA and interrupt pin only we are using. Remaining 3 pins we have to left as such. We don't want that pins for this project. Now coming to the connection, VCC pin goes to the 5 volt or 3.3 volt present in the Arduino board, and then ground pin should be connected with the ground pin of the Arduino board, and then STA pin goes to A4 analog 4 pin of the Arduino board. SCL pin goes to A5 of the Arduino board. So before making the connections, you just look at the pin diagram once, then you have to make the connections as per the pin diagram. So no, if you change the pin, the system will not work. So it is very careful to read the diagram and then make the connections. Okay, interrupter pin should be go to D2 of the Arduino board. So these are the pin connections we have to make it in the Arduino board, and then you take a double side tape and then paste it to the center portion of the chassis. Middle portion of the chassis we have to place the Arduino board. So bottom portion battery and L298N driver, middle portion Arduino board, top portion we have to fix the MPU6050 sensor. So after fixing the boards and the battery sensor, the robot look like this. Okay, make sure that the connection should be correct. Okay, then now I am going to fix the wheels. We need 2 wheels for 2 BO motors. Then we have to fix like this. Okay, the wheel should be in very tight. We should not come out from the shaft while testing the robot. So make sure it is in a very tight in manner. After placing the robot, it look like this. So this is the final version of the robot. Okay, so it is noted that the wheel should be fitted as like in this robot. The direction and position should not be changed. So make sure everything should be in perfect manner. Then only the center of mass will be balanced. Otherwise, robot will not work. Stick with this design. It will work good. So this is all about the construction of robot. Next part I will give the testing, calibration and testing. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.